sofas, which can also be made into day beds. So they take, they change it up and they make it into a day bed. The deluxe rooms open up onto your own patio, so they're always on the ground floor with lounge equipment, like lounge chairs and everything like this.
That's very
You
cool.
can just, walk out over to the beach. They all have like water or bay views or something like that. Hey, Penelope.
So these deluxe rooms, how many people do they accommodate?
Let's see. Well, you see the king bed over there. It can be split into not quite a twin, but 2 full beds. So 1, 2, 3, 4 max in this deluxe room.
Okay.
The adjoining door is right there next to you. Now the other features of the deluxe room is that it's stocked with it has more amenities.
Okay.
In addition to all of their locations and being on the ground floor. We're going to come into the bathroom.
So there's more amenities. Like what kind of amenities?
Well, let's see. The mini fridges are stocked with drinks, and then you can also request what you want to have stocked by housekeeping every day.
Okay.
You get these little fluffy robes and slippers. Deluxe rooms have turn-down service every night, in addition. So the night housekeeping comes every night to the deluxe rooms.
And there's probably one robe and slippers per person that's in the room then?
Yes.
Iron. An ironing board. I love the big closet. You can come live here, right?
No, our European guests I don't want to say like or prefer, we have all these European guests, so we have big walk-in closets. Let's put it that way.
Very cool. Okay, and so here's the mini fridge and the safe.
And all of this, yes, the coffee maker. So, I'm not expecting to find anything right now, but when guests are here, it would be stocked with like LaCroix and Cokes and stuff. Oh, it is.
There's some
like
stuff
that.
in there.
So it would look like that.
Oh, that's
and
cool.
then if you want more, you just let us know. We can adapt it to whatever you want.
Okay. But the deluxe rooms sleep 4.
Yes.
Next.
Maximum. Let's see.
Anything else we should know about the deluxe room?
No, that's about it. The bathroom fixtures are standard. That's it. Across all of our other rooms.
Okay. This is James. He's given us a tour today.
Hey.
And James, you're a Geo then?
Yes, I'm a Geo, so I live here. I help put on the shows. I hang out with guests in the bar and go to aperitif and talk with them. We have lunch together and dinner together. Part of the Geo culture.
You can come and visit and James will give you your own tour.
Yes.